Namaskar, Jai Hind. I am Totul. You are watching Physio Learner YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about our human heart. Okay. In this video, we can understand what is our heart, what's the parts of heart, we can see the heart, what is the branches of heart blood supply. Okay. Today, and what is the essay and first heart sound, second heart sound, etc. This in this video. It is a very short video to describe all the things. Now, today I first describe what is the heart. Definition of heart. Heart is a hollow muscular organ that pumps the blood throughout the body with constricting and relaxing method. Okay. What is the shape? This is the conical shaped organ. It is the human heart. Okay. What is, you can see this, the heart is the hollow muscular organ situated. What is the situation? Heart situated at the middle inferior mediastinum. Okay. Heart is situated at the middle inferior mediastinum. Okay. What is the mediastinum? Mediastinum, it is a space which is situated between the middle surface of the lung as well as the mid-sternal space. Middle surface of lungs and the mid-sternal space. What is the mediastinum? Mediastinum is a type of pleura. What is the pleura? Pleura is the thin layers of tissue that the chest cavity with cover the lungs, protecting and cushioning of them. Pleura is the cushioning cavity or types of towel cloth in our body. Okay. The pleura is the two types. One is parietal pleura, one is visceral pleura. What is the parietal pleura? Parietal pleura, it is the inner, this is the outer layer of the lungs. Okay, this is outer layer. This is attached to the chest wall. Outer layer, this is attached to the chest wall. What is the visceral pleura? Visceral pleura is the inner part. Inner part, by inner layer of the chest wall. This attach the blood vessel, nerves, neurons, etc. Okay. You can see there is the heart. This is the right atrium, right ventricle, right atrium. It is left atrium. It is a right ventricle. It is a left ventricle. Okay. You can see this is the right atrium supplies blood supply. Is the right atrium is the superior vena cava and inferior vena. Main blood supply is the right atrium, and the left atrium is the pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein is two types in superior and two types in inferior vein attached with the left ventricle blood supply of. In the superior vena cava, this is the deoxygenated blood comes throughout the body, and then atrium constrict. Then this deoxygenated blood goes to the right ventricle, and then ventricle constrict. This is by the pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein, all the deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs, and there is a deoxygenated blood converting with the oxygenated blood. There is the many layers of micro alveoli. There is the transportation oxygen, carbon dioxide. Okay. Here you can see this is the right atrium. This is the left atrium. This is the right ventricle. This is the left ventricle. Here between the right atrium and between the left right atrium and between the right ventricle, there is a portion. You can say this portion is called is the right atrioventricular orifice. This point is called right atrioventricular orifice, and here in this orifice there is the guarded with the tricuspid valve or right atrioventricular valve. Okay. The same thing here. If this is a left ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle, there is a surface. You can see this surface is called left atrioventricular orifice. Here you can see this is a tricuspid valve or mitral valve. This is a bicuspid valve. Valves mainly is a one-way opening of the body. When right atrium or ventricle constrict, then all the blood flow falls in the ventricle. Okay. Overflow of the blood, then this tricuspid and mitral valve is stopped. Then it is called the first heart sound. This is sound is fast heart sound. When the ventricle is constrict, then the pulmonary or valve or semilunar valve opening, then go through the body or the lungs. Okay, when the valve is stopped, closed, backflow of the blood is from the pulmonary or aortic valve, then it is closed. Then we can hear a second half heart sound. Okay, it is a pulmonary event. We can already tell this. Here you can see this is a pulmonary valve or semilunar valve. Two types of valves is present in the heart. Is two pairs. This is a right atrioventricular valve or left atrioventricular valve. This is name is right atrioventricular valve, name is tricuspid valve, and left atrioventricular valve name is the mitral valve or bicuspid valve. These are two types of semilunar valve is present: the pulmonary artery, artery, and the aorta. Okay, this is the pulmonary valve or semilunar valve or aortic valve. Okay, you can see this is a SA node. Okay, here you can see this is a SA node. What is the SA node function? What is the SA node function? Yes, SA node is our pacemaker of the heart, main pacemaker of the heart. Okay, here it is a AV node, the posterior to the SA node. This is a AV node, and here you can see this is a bundle of his. This is his bundle of his. Here this is the SA node. When the stimulation electric impulse burst, then goes to the AV node, and AV node, when the AV node stimulation, this all the stimulus, all the heart body is spread by the bundle of his, and bundle of his is divided into the Purkinje fibers. There is a Purkinje fibers. Okay. What is the relation of the heart? What is the relation of the heart? You can see heart position is, this is a posterior to the body of sternum. What is the heart relation? We can firstly describe this is what is the relation. What is the position? Sorry, mistake. Okay, this is the position is the posterior to the body of sternum. Body of sternum, this side is called the body of sternum. This is the posterior of the body of sternum with 1/3 right. This is a 1/3 right and 2/3 left on the middle. Here this is the heart is located. Okay, this is the heart located. What is the relation between all the organs? Anteriorly, which organ is? What is this? The body of sternum, adjoining cartilage, left lung and pleura. The body of sternum is anteriorly present. Adjoining cartilage, costal cartilage, all the costal cartilage is present anteriorly, and the lungs and pleura. Covering of the lungs is called pleura. Okay, posteriorly we can see this is esophagus. OESOPHAGUS or ESOPHAGUS. It's a British or language. Okay, this is here you can see this is esophagus, descending thoracic aorta, azygos, hemizygos vein, and thoracic duct. Okay, what is the superior relation of the heart? Superiorly we can see the bifurcation of main pulmonary trunk. Here this is the bifurcation of main pulmonary trunk. Okay, what is the inferior? Inferior is always diaphragm. It is a one organ. It is laterally is placed, laterally and anteriorly placed is lungs and pleura. Okay, what is the layers of heart? Hearts mainly covered in separated in 3 layers. This is a epicardium, myocardium, endocardium, and endocardium is divided into 2 parts: middle constricting layer and subendocardial layer. Middle concentric layer and subendocardial layer, heart is divided. Okay, and here all the layer is, this is a pericardium layers. Okay, pericardium first layer is fibrous pericardium. This is a fibrous type of tissue. This is fibrous pericardium. It is a covering that is protect the heart. Okay, this is the first covering is the fibrous pericardium. Okay, then second, the pericardium layer of serous pericardium. Second layer, and third layer is also pericardium. This is a pericardial cavity. Cavity means the space between the heart layers and the pericardium. This is the cavity, is the pericardium cavity. What is the mainly three structure or three layers is the epicardium, myocardium, endocardium. Endocardium is divided into two parts. This is the middle concentric layer and the condocardial layer. Okay, this is the cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is consists essentially of the certain specialized tissue but structures. Okay, this is responsible for initial the transmission of the impulse or the higher rate of muscle. Those specialized the operative such as the constellation junction of tissue of heart. Okay, this is junction on tissue. This is the mainly types of tissue of muscle and nerve fiber attached with each other. This muscle of each other is mostly constricting and relaxing types. Okay, the electrical impulse of the heart, electrical impulse. The first is the SA node. SA node. It is the pacemaker of our heart. Okay, this is a pacemaker of our heart. It is situated at the junction of superior vena cava. It is situated on superior junction of superior vena cava at the right atrium. Okay, the cardiac impulse rate here it is a 72. Okay, but it is the average is 70 to 80. Okay, when the SA node or sinoatrial node is false, then here impulse carries from AV node. AV node locations. What is the location of AV node? AV node situated at the posterior part. AV node situated at the posterior part near to coronary sinus. AV node situated anterior part. Here you can see the SA node, and AV node full form is atrioventricular node, is situated posterior to the coronary sinus. Okay, when the SA node falls, then AV node carries the rhythm. Here this AV node is also called the reserve pacemaker of the heart. Its contraction per minute is 40 to 60 beats per minute. Okay, when SA node or AV node both are false, then the heart contraction is carries by the bundle of Hitch. This is the bundle of Hitch. This is the two parts, right or left part. This is divided into two parts. Okay, when this fibers is larger is 20 millimeter long. It is this fiber. When the SA and AV node is unable to do its work, then bundle of Hitch work. Okay, this what is the contraction? It is a 36 beats per minute. Okay, when all the structure failed, then which fibers carries the impulse? There is a Purkinje fibers. It is the branches of the bundle of Hitch. It is a branches of the bundle of Hitch that carries the impulse. Okay, when this in the contraction rate, what is the cardiac impulse rate? This is the 30 to 36 per minute. The human is still alive. Okay, when this all is gone, human is dead. Okay, the mainly is the you can see the last portion of video. We can already hear this is the branches of coronary artery. Okay, coronary artery mainly is the ascending descending artery. There is a two part ascending aorta part. Ascending artery. This is a two part. This is the right coronary artery and the left coronary artery. Okay, divided into two parts. Okay, what is the RC? This is the right coronary artery. Right coronary artery is anteriorly and then goes to posteriorly and attached with the AV node. Okay, then the LMC means left main coronary artery. Left main coronary artery that is present. Then it is divided and branched with the left circumflex artery, and this artery goes to posterior and attached to the SA node. Okay, then right coronary artery has a branch. This is a right This is a branch. This is a acute marginal artery. This is the anteriorly placed. This is the right marginal artery. Then you can see this is the LAD. This is a right ascending artery. The left main coronary artery divided into some parts. Okay, this is the left ascending artery. This artery is divided on D1, D2, D3. Okay, this is this called the diagonal branches of the LAD, and the S1, S2 is called the septal branch of the descending artery. In the it is a very difference, very important. This is the right dominance is the tooth heart of the pupil, and PDA comes to RV. PDA means the posterior descending artery comes from the RC, right coronary artery, and left dominance the PDA comes of the LCX. Okay, and codominance is the PDA comes from both right and left coronary artery. Okay. Namaskar, Jai Hind. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Namaskar, Jai Hind.